Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to use Voicemod Soundboard on Discord. So just open first your Voicemod app or software. So go to Voicemod. So once you're in Voicemod, let's go back first. Voicemod. So here, when you're here on the voice box section, just go to settings, click on it, and you'll be redirected here. Go to the audio section and make sure you're using the right microphone on the input here. So I use the microphone USB condenser. So after that, you'll need to go to Discord now. Once you're finished on Voicemod, go to Discord. And once you're on Discord, go to user settings here and go to voice and video under app settings. And now on the input device, click on Voicemod virtual audio device. Click on that. And once you're done with that, make sure you turn this off. And now it's set to default. And go down here, scroll down. Turn off echo cancellation and noise suppression. Click on none. There. After that, you are now good to go. Make sure you go to a channel with a friend so that you could assure that the voice mod or the voice effect is working. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.